Hello everyone, welcome back to another video by Logri. The audio is a bit echoey at the beginning just because of where I had to film for that time. Anyways, enjoy this video. Alright, so here we have, this is the Red Dragon album Kumara RGB whitewashed edition, and we're gonna make some modifications to it. So the main thing here is these HK Gaming Pudding Keycaps, which are really cheap. They're only like around $17.99, under $20, which is kind of incredible for a new set of really good keycaps, and they're pudding. So hopefully the replacement will be nice. And then we got these Amazon's Choice O-rings, super simple, just to go on the bottom. So if you're unfamiliar with O-rings, it's pretty simple. We have this key piece right here that came with it to take off the key. So you just lock it in, take it off. Now under here, they have these little like cross pieces. And so if I have an O-ring, right, and I take an O-ring, originally this is what it sounds like. This is like the keyboard. And now when you put an O-ring on it, okay, so you just take the little ring and you just slide it over the top of the cross, and then all you have to do is line up the cross on it and you put it on. Do you hear that? It's now you go from to. It makes it sound more quiet and way more fluent. But I mean, obviously we're not going to be using these keycaps, so let's go ahead and take this off. And I have a bunch of extra. This is a 180 set, and my keyboard's only like close to 90 pieces, I think, 80 something. So let's go ahead and take all these keycaps off, and then we're gonna put these ones on, and I will see you once I take all of these off. So this is the finished product. As you can see, I kept some of the old white ones specifically for their key functions. Some of them have multimedia functions that are specific to this keyboard and my PC that the black ones did not actually come with. Now there is a full set of all of these function keys. They just don't have the it's just it just has the lettering, and I just like having the image on the bottom. So I kept some of the white ones for that reason. Also I kept these white keys over here because I like the key functions on the bottom too that they have, but also so I can do some typing tests with the original versus the new. And if you remember, I did get some O-rings, so I have some O-rings on some of them. I decided I didn't really like the O-rings on the black keys on the new ones, but I did like them on the white ones. So on the original, I put O-rings on all of these and all of these up here, but I still wanted to save some original noise, so I didn't add any O-rings on these keys too, just to have a test and to see how they sound. And I still do like this sound too, but I really like the more clicky sound, I think. And even though I do like the sound with the O-rings, I think I like with the black pudding keycaps, I like them better. Now I would definitely recommend these keycaps. They have a bit of a like finished glaze on them. You probably can't really see it that well, but let's see. Can you see it? It's really hard to see, but it is a nice, like, a bit of a nice little glaze, and I think I'm pretty sure it's meant to last, so that way these don't rub off. So I would definitely say pretty nice, especially for the price, since these were so cheap. Yeah, I would definitely recommend these. Now it's time for a little typing test. So to start, we're gonna start over here with these. This is the original keyboard keys. So here we go. Alright, now moving on to the original, but with the O-rings. Alright, and now the black pudding keycaps without O-rings. And now for the black ones with O-rings. I did add some O-rings to some of the black ones, but only for the typing test. I didn't really keep many. So these are with O-rings, butter keycaps. Sorry, pudding keycaps. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied with my purchase. I would definitely recommend, especially for the price. These are good. Anyways, thank all of you for watching. I always appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos, and if you learned something or you made a decision, great, I'm glad. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!